I know a lot of you use OxyClean, but I just wanted to show you how I use it. I use it for my work hats. If you see this here, see how clean this is now. I just washed it. Got all the grease from underneath the cards and stuff off of it. See the water still dripping out of it. You see in my last few videos how dirty this hat was, how nasty it was, and how it's got everything clean. I'll show you how I do it. Take this stuff, this OxyClean Laundry and More. This is the hat that Anthony made for me. I kind of just, anywhere where I see stains and stuff, this whole hat needs to be washed, so I'm gonna wash the whole thing. You can see the dirt that's starting to ooze out of the flag already. Spray it down real good. I don't even let it, just a couple minutes. I don't even really focus on letting it sit there that long. See the dirt band inside. I'm using entirely way too much purposely. I don't even need to use as much as I'm using. And I'm gonna get some water here in the sink. So I take a cheap sponge now and agitate it. I already gave them a lot of those. What'd you say? So there's two things I like to use to clean these hats. See how dirty this was before and how clean it is now. Everybody asks me where I get this hat. I got it at a truck stop. I like it. This here I wear all the time because it's super comfortable. I actually have some of these being made, but with my channel logo here in the middle. Should be here in the next couple weeks. This I got in Clearwater, Florida, and it is a performance fishing gear hat. This one here I wear a lot. The center started to crease on me a little bit, so I got to try to figure out a way to fix that. But anyway, Anthony, Bearded Ford Tech, he bought it for me and sent it to me. So you don't know, check him out. Bearded Ford Tech, tell him I sent you over there. And he took care of me with this hat. I wear it a lot, especially when I'm under vehicles, because the top of it's black. It protects my head. And I got to wash it every once in a while. That's why I got a couple little small stains right here in the end that I've been scrubbing, and they've been lighter and lighter and lighter. But my main cleaner for the hats is Dawn dish soap and the OxyClean spray. That's how I get the hats so clean after I've trashed them and got them all nice and dirty. Yep, that's that. Hope you all liked the video. Be blessed. Have a great day.